Welcome to the future of automotive manufacturing. This is where innovation meets precision.
Hi, I'm Sarah, lead production engineer here at our electric vehicle facility. Today, I'm taking
Precision.
It all starts here, the receiving bay. Every single day, we receive over 500 deliveries containing.
These are lithium-ion battery cells, the heart of every electric car. Each vehicle requires over 4,000 individual cells.
Advanced AI-powered sorting systems organize thousands of components by production schedule. Every part is tracked in real time using
Precision.
We use aerospace-grade aluminum alloy for our chassis. It's lightweight but incredibly strong. Each
Precision.
Before final assembly begins, hundreds of subcomponents are pre-assembled and quality tested. This
Now we enter the most critical area of EV production, the battery pack assembly zone. Every single cell is individually tested before assembly. Cells that don't meet our strict quality standards are rejected zone.
Cells are arranged in series and parallel configurations to achieve the desired voltage and capacity. Each
zone. Battery temperature management is crucial for performance and longevity. This liquid cooling system keeps every cell at optimal temperature. Zone. The battery management system is the brain of the battery pack. Zone. Multiple modules are assembled into the complete battery pack. This pack will store enough energy to power the vehicle zone.
Each battery pack is sealed to IP67 standard, meaning it can be submerged in water for 30 minutes without damage.
Zone.
quality control is non-negotiable. We run a 45-minute diagnostic cycle on every battery pack.
Zone. The foundation of every electric vehicle is its chassis, and precision welding is an art form. These robot standards are rejected. We don't just weld, we also use aerospace-grade structural adhesives. This standards are rejected.
Every chassis undergoes 3D laser scanning. We're checking hundreds of measurement points to ensure perfect geometry.
Standards are rejected.
This is a permanent magnet synchronous motor, capable of producing 300 kilowatts of power.
Standards are rejected.
The inverter converts DC power from the battery into AC power for the motor. It also controls motor speed.
Standards are rejected. Electric motors spin at incredibly high speeds, up to 18,000 RPM. This single-speed reduction.
Advanced suspension systems provide the perfect balance between comfort and handling. Every component is engineered to work.
Fluorage. Electric vehicles use regenerative braking. The motor acts as a generator during braking. And
this is called the marriage point pretty stood, where the battery pack becomes one with the chassis. This 600-kilogram battery pack.
This voltage wiring carries up to 400 volts DC from the battery pack. Every connection includes multiple safety features.
Welcome to the body shop, where steel and aluminum panels transform into the recognizable shape of an electric.
It's engineered to work for it. The floor panel provides structural rigidity and safety. It's designed with crumple zones, reinforcement engineered to work for it. The pillar structures are critical for crash safety and roof strength. They're made from ultra-high-strength steel, engineered to work presence. Aerodynamics start in the body shop. Every panel, every curve, every surface is designed to engineered to work rate. Doors are assembled separately with side impact protection, wiring harnesses for power windows and mirrors, reinforcements and finish. Panel fit and finish separate good cars from great ones. We measure panel gaps to within 3 millimeters. Reinforcements.
This is called body in white, crepusing, the completed body structure before painting.
3 millimeters. Before painting, bodies undergo electrocoating, an electrical process that deposits corrosion-resistant coating on every 3 millimeters. Multiple layers of primer create a perfect foundation for color. Robots follow programmed paths with millimeter precision, consistent coding on every.
This is where vehicles get their identity. Our paint system can produce over 4
Consistent coding on every bullets. The clear coat provides scratch resistance and UV protection. It's cured using ultraviolet light in just minutes. Consistent coating on every gorgeous.
Paint inspection is meticulous. We're looking for dust particles, orange peel texture, color consistency.
Consistent coating on every gracious.
Now we're in final assembly, where the vehicle truly comes to life. The dashboard is installed over 4 Cantar. This 17-inch touchscreen is the command center. It controls everything from climate to navigation to vehicle over 4 Cantarlis. These aren't just seats, they're comfort systems, with heating, ventilation, power adjustment.
This steering wheel is packed with technology. Touch-sensitive control elements, torque sense heaping assist.
Over 4 Cantar. The windshield isn't just glass, it's a laminated composite with acoustic layers, to vehicle fur.
These 20-inch wheels are specifically designed for electric vehicles. Lightweight alloy construct covers with metimers.
Modern automotive lighting is incredibly sophisticated. These LED matrix headlights contain
covers with. This charging port supports both AC home charging and DC fast charging up to covers with griffles. While electric cars have far fewer fluids than gas vehicles, the thermal covers with every vehicle receives the latest software before delivery.
This car will get smarter over time through software updates. Headlights contain dyno testing. Every vehicle undergoes dyno testing. We're verifying motor efficiency. Thermal headlights contain acres.
Water leak testing ensures every seal is perfect. We simulate extreme weather conditions. The
headlights contain agents. Precise wheel alignment ensures optimal tire wear, handling, and efficiency. We're aligning to tolerance, thermal. Thermal.
Before delivery, every vehicle completes a 10-kilometer road test on our private track.
Thermal pass. The final quality inspector has authority to reject any vehicle that doesn't meet our standards.
From here, these vehicles begin their journey to dealers and customers around the world. This facility produces.
And that's the complete journey, from raw materials to a finished electric vehicle ready to drive into the future.
This facility produces.
Subscribe for more factory tours.
Turn on Le Before for notifications.
Comment your questions below.